Okay, what's up there, people? Hunter Spoke Riders here, and I'm back with another video. Today's topic is going to be upgrades to my current GoPro, well, should I say my current camera situation. Lately, I've been filming both with my GoPro and my smartphone. What I want to talk about today is this Rode video microphone. I've had my eye on the Rode video microphone actually for a long time. And this is the microphone I ended up going with. It's not the best one in their lineup, but it's also not the worst one in their lineup either. This is the microphone I got. This microphone comes with a red cable. I didn't want the red cable, so for a while that's why I never ordered this microphone, but then I found out I can get this optional black cable, so I ordered the optional black cable at the same time that I ordered this. So I'm going to unbox it now. This will be my first. This literally just came in. Ordered this all off of Amazon. And this just came in right now. Okay. Came with the little fuzzy wind protector. And supposedly this setup comes with basically everything you need. And I did watch a lot of reviews on this microphone on YouTube. So I'm not going to get into the analytics of it, but I'll just give you my kind of point of view of this camera. Right now, I am filming this with a GoPro Hero 4 with just the basic microphone that comes in the GoPro. So, here we go here. Wow. Okay. It's got the fuzzy wind protector. That's interesting. Okay, I see how that goes in there. I like that. And this is the microphone itself. Very small, very compact. And then I'm assuming, let me look at the picture here. Of course I'm not gonna read no instructions, I'm gonna look at the picture. Hopefully I don't break nothing. It just snaps in here like so. There we go. You just snap this in here like this. Looks pretty straightforward. If I'm going to be outside with the wind, I'll put this on here because of the wind. And then this is the cable. This is the cable it comes with, the little red cable. I will use this as a backup. I didn't really want the red cable. Not that this matters, but I just, I kind of like to color coordinate everything. My GoPro has a blue case, so I didn't want to go with the whole Superman red and blue theme. So, got this extra black cable. I'll open this up too. And it's exactly the same as the red cable, it's just black. Same size. Actually, the coils look a little bit smaller, but all in all, I'm sure it'll be the same. That's the unboxing of it. I'm not going to make this too crazy long. There ain't much to it. Looks pretty good to me. And what I will do now is I will actually set this up on my camera and I will let you hear how the sound difference is. Okay, what's up there, people? Right now, I got everything all set up and I'm filming with the GoPro Hero 4 and I have the microphone hooked up. So this is outside with a bunch of freeway sound in the background. So we'll see how this turns out. So for this part of it, the microphone is hooked up. Now I'm going to reach back there and unhook the microphone. I'm going to hook the microphone now and see what it sounds like. Okay, right now the microphone is unplugged and I am filming with just the GoPro sound by itself. So we'll hear how this sounds. We'll do it before and after. I'll just put them back to back. And that's what it sounds like without the microphone. I'm gonna hook the microphone up now. I'm gonna hook it back up one more time and see how it sounds now with the microphone hooked up.